Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to make our first MuleSoft application. I expect you guys have your Anypoint Studio. If you don't have it, just follow the documentation, which is given on the MuleSoft website. We are going to create our first project. Click on File, New Mule project. I'm going to develop a Hello World application, so I'm naming it Hello World. So click Finish. Okay, so this is palette, this is our folder explorer, and this is the console we can see. We are going to select the HTTP listener, um, which will listen for the request. And now we will configure some properties for the HTTP listener. First of all, we need to add a connector for this HTTP listener. We just click on this plus sign. This window will open and we don't need to change anything. But if we want to change anything, we can. But if we don't want, so we can leave as it is. And we have to specify a path over here. So I'm specifying a path. Hello. So our request will be listened at hello, and I'm adding another component which is set payload, which is going to set payload for this request, like what will be written when someone hits this endpoint. So I'm typing hello from Munis Saeed. I have set this payload, and now I'm doing one more thing, which is set logger. I'm just setting a logger component here, and this logger component is going to print. This is just going to log the thing. So what I'm giving here is payload, and this will print the payload of whatever it's inside. So our first MuleSoft application is ready, and now we are going to run it. So just right click and click on run project. It's asking save, yes. So we need to wait till it gets deployed. It's deployed. So let's go ahead and make some requests. So for checking any API or any HTTP request, you need to have some client. I have Postman with me. So I already have written my API call. Uh, so this is localhost 8081 and then hello. So let's go ahead and click send. It's taking a bit time, and see, we have our result. Hello from Munis Saeed. Let's get back to the studio. What we have here, so we can see in the logs that what we put in the process logger. So here we can see it's saying hello from Munis Saeed. So we are able to develop our first application. So it's a success. See you in the next video.